So guys, most of them they have sent the answers. That's really happy about that. And those who need the questions right now, they can send a WhatsApp message for this number 07697235337. So now we are moving to the very first question. So here they have said like this: find the 13th term of the progression. The 13th term of the progression of 26, 23 and 20. So that means this is related to arithmetic progression. You can see it has a common difference. So if it has a common difference, we call that as arithmetic progression. So how to find out the 13th term? So this is the first step. First of all, we have to find out D, the common difference. So to find out the common difference, first of all we have to choose one number. So I am taking 23 and we have to subtract that by the preceding number. So the preceding one is 26. 23 minus 26. So the answer is minus 3. 1 plus 1 minus. If the signs are different, then we have to subtract. So the difference is 3, and which one is the highest? Minus is what the highest. So minus 3 is what the answer. So the common difference is minus 3. And to find the 13th term, it's better to use Tn formula. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 and d. So a represents the initial term. So the initial term is 26. And n represents the number of the term. So the number of the term is 13. And 13 minus 1. And the common difference already we have found that as minus 3. Should write within bracket. Okay, fine. So 26 and plus 13 minus 1 is 12. And again minus 3 is still there. Now we'll simplify this. 26 plus into minus. So plus into minus is minus. 12 3s are 36. Now again 1 plus 1 minus. So how to solve this? If the signs are different, we have to subtract. So 36 minus 26 is 10. And which one is the highest? Minus sign. So the answer is minus 10. So now we are moving to the second question. Simplify. This is related to binomial expressions. Very easy. First we have to consider the first term of the first bracket. So there is 2x. So that 2x should multiply by the second bracket. You can see x plus 5 is there. And after that minus 3. The second term should multiply by again the second bracket x plus 5. So now we'll try to solve this. 2x into x. 2x into x means you can see there are 2x right now. So that will be x squared. X into x squared plus. Now we have to multiply 2x into 5. So 2 into 5 is how much? That's 10. And 10x. And the next one we are moving to the second term. Minus 3 into x is 3x. And minus into plus, there will be minus. And 3 5s are 15. So now you can see 10x and 3x, they both are likely terms. So we can simplify them. 1 plus and 1 minus means definitely we have to take the difference. So the difference is 7x. And now which one is the highest? Plus or minus? Yes, plus is what the highest and minus 15. So the final answer is 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. This one is a bit interesting. Find the value of 7/3 to the nearest second decimal place. So how to find out that? So first of all we have to simplify this. 7/3. So how to simplify? We have to divide them. So the numerator should come inside and 7.000. Still it's 7 and should divide by 3. So in 7 how many 3s are there? 2. And 2 3s are 6. And 1 remaining, and we'll take this 0 down. So in 10 how many 3s are there? We'll place that point. And in 10 how many 3s are there? 3. And 3 3s are 9. Again we can see 1 is the difference. Again 1 0. And 3 3s are 9. Again we can subtract that. 1 is remaining. We'll take another 0. So in 10, yes, 2.333 is what the answer. And they are asking us to round off that to the nearest second decimal place. So how to find out that for the nearest second decimal place? So we can ignore the last term, and that is less than 5 means we don't need to add anything. So 2.33 is what the answer. Okay, so the fourth question, this one also very easy. The radius of a semicircle. The radius of the semicircle is 14. Now they are asking us to find the area. So what is the formula? The formula is 5r squared. And its semicircle means we have to multiply that by half. So 5 represents 22/7. And the radius, they have given that as 14. Then we have to write them twice. Right now because r squared, 5r squared means r we have to write them twice and should multiply this by half. So 7 to 14 we can cancel it. 2 is remaining. Again 2 to 2 can cancel. So 22 into 14. Just we have to multiply them. 22 into 14. 22 into 14 is equals to 300. 8 centimeter squared. And now the fifth question is related to substitution. It's very easy. 4x minus, they have given if y is 2x, so instead of y we have to write 2x, and over 3x again minus, instead of y we can write 2x. So now we can solve this easily. 4x minus 2x is 2x, divide by 3x minus 2x is 1x. So x to x we can cancel now. So 2 divided by 1, the answer is 2. For each question you have to give 2 marks, and here the sixth one, evaluate using the knowledge of factors. So it's very famous question. First of all we have to find out the mid value of this. If they use the word using the knowledge of factors, it's better to find out the mid value, 67 and 53. So you can see 60 is what the mid one. Okay, now so 60 is the mid value. So now here listen, 67 into 53. Can we write 67 by using 60? We have to add 7 for that. So 60 plus 7 is how much? 67. And again multiplication, and 53 how can you write by using 60? So 60 minus 7, 60 minus 7 is equals to 53. Okay, fine. So 60 plus 7, and the next one is 60 minus 7. So here you can see both the terms are same, but only the signs are different. So according to the factorizing method we can do like this: 60 squared minus 7 squared, difference of 2 squares. The factors of difference of 2 squares are these: 1 plus 1 should be minus, right? 60 plus 7, 60 minus 7. So we use the inverse method. Okay, so 60 squared, what is the answer? 60 squared, you know 0 squared means double zeros. 6 squared is 36. Minus 7 squared, everyone knew that, that's 49. So we can subtract them. 3600 minus 49 is 3551. So the answer is 3551. Okay, so this comes under the short questions, right? 5 plus 2 over 3. So you can solve this by finding the LCM and all the stuffs, or else you can get the direct answer as well. Right now we can do like this: 3 into 5, just a short method, right? 3 into 5 is how much? 15. And 15 plus 2, how much is that? 17 over 3. And if you want, yes, you can convert this into mixed numbers. This one also very easy. If 1 kilogram of tea leaves costs 720, 1 kilogram means 1000 gram is equals to 720. And what is the price of 500 gram? That means half of that. So 720 should divide by 2. So the answer is 360 rupees. Another easy question. This one is related to indices. So 3 squared means should write 3 twice. And 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means we have to write this 2 4 times. Okay, fine. Now we'll try to simplify this. 3 3s are 9. And 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 36 2s are 72. And 72 2s are 144. So the answer is 144. Okay, so find the value of 2 log 5 plus log 12 minus log 3. So here they haven't given the base. So that means we have to consider the base are equal. So log 5. Now here to simplify this we have to take this coefficient as the index of 5. So 5 to the power 2 and plus again log 12 and minus log 3. Okay, so log 5 squared, that's 25. And okay, if there's plus sign and if we want to join them both right now, then what we have to do? Just we have to multiply the terms. And now here there is a minus sign, so what we have to do? Yes, when it comes logarithm, just we have to divide by 3. Now we can solve them. Plus there will be multiplication as well as minus there will be division. So 3 to 12 we can cancel that easily, 4. So 25 into 4 log 100. Okay, the thing is they haven't given the base. If they gave LG, if they gave only LG, so that means that represents the base, the value of this base is 10. But here they have used LOG, so we can't guess the base. So let it be. Log 100 is what the answer. Now okay, now how to simplify this one? 2x over 5 minus 3x equals 4. Right, so it's better to cancel this division 5. So to cancel this division 5, what we have to do? We have to multiply all these 3 terms by 5. So 2x over 5 and after that minus 3x and again 4. And we'll multiply them all by 5 to cancel that division 5. So now the division 5 cancelled. So 2x, and after that minus 3x into 5 is 15x, and equals 4 5s are 20. Right. So 2x minus 15x. Yes, we can simplify that. So the answer is 1 plus 1 minus means we have to subtract again. So 13x. And minus 13x is equals to 20. Now we can divide them both by minus 13. Okay, so minus 13 to minus 13 cancel. X is equals to plus into minus minus. And if you want, yes, you can convert these into mixed numbers. Okay, so here they are asking find the coordinates of the point. Coordinates of the point. Okay, no, right. So we have to find out the x value as well as the y value. The coordinates of the point of intersection of x-axis. If it intersects x-axis, then definitely the value of y should be 0. Then if it is intersect y-axis, then the value of x should be 0. Okay, fine. So now we have the value of y. We'll substitute that. Y equals x minus 2. So for this y, it's better to put 0. And minus 2, if we take that to the right, then to the left, then there will be plus 2. So the value of x is 2. So 2, 0 is what the answer. This is not much difficult. They are saying that the flower pots have to be placed in a platform of 800 meter long from 4 meter to 4 meter. How many flower pots required for the decoration? So what do we have to do? The total distance they have given is 8 meter and the gaps should be 4 meter each. So we'll divide them. 800 divided by 4. So it's 200 is the answer. And now here they are asking us to factorize this, right? It doesn't have any common factors, so we'll concern about the perfect squares. 4 is a perfect square, so we can write that as 2 squared x squared minus y squared. So it comes under the difference of two squares theory. Okay, fine. So if it is difference of two squares, you can see in both sides it completes with squares, right? So one should be minus and the second one should be plus. 2x minus y, 2x plus y. And now we'll move to the last question. So they are saying like this, right? From a cylindrical pipe with a cross-section area 154. So the cross-section area is 154. Okay, fine. Water is flowing at a speed of 5 meter per second. So per second 5 meter. Then for 2 seconds 10 meters. Then for 3 seconds there will be 15 meters. But they are asking find the volume of water flows in 1 second. So just we have to concern the length as 5 meter. That's enough. Now they are asking the volume. So the volume is equals the cross-section area they have given there in centimeter squared, so 144, and 5 they have given in meters, so it's better to convert that into centimeters, so 500. Now just we have to simplify this. 0 0, 5 4s are 20, 2 remaining, 5 5s are 25, 27, 2 remaining, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, and cubic centimeter. So 77,000 cubic centimeters. So that's what the answer. Now just check out your total marks.